And
Cool.
that
Carlos.
is true. Everybody's situation is completely different. Like Brock said. Now, what two things before I even forget about American Express and Navy Federal? They are a relationship top bank. Make sure you don't mess up that relationship because once you sever that relationship,
Very true.
you will not get it back.
Yeah. American
So
Express
pay.
will write you off.
That's it. Warren Buffett is the main investor in this company. So Warren Buffett makes money. So one of the main things is don't mess it up. Pay your bills on time. Make sure that they will work with you. I tell you what, and I'm gonna give you an example of this because this happened to me in my lifetime. I've been in the 500 twice, and in my lifetime, I was able to get to the 800. The second time that this happened to me was about a year ago. I woke up one was January 3rd. Found out that my ex partner in another venture that I had used my credit without my knowledge, signed for me, and I became a co-signer for somebody. Remember when we were talking about personal guarantor, co-signer? He defaulted on these credit cards, and they were American Express.
Ugh.
I have personal credit cards with American Express, about three of them personal, for almost 16 years. Two business credit cards, and apparently one that I didn't know about with this person. So the on cards went into collection. My credit score went from the 7, I think 154, to the 553 in the matter of no time. I said to myself, I said, I'm going to build something. I'm going to do this. This is the time for me to show what I could do. Knowing what I knew, it took me January 3rd to April 29th to go from 553 to an 832. And I documented. You could go to my YouTube channel and you could see I put it there every snapshot on the date on everything that happened. And if you don't believe me, I'm gonna put the link on under this video because everything that you see here has happened, and everything you don't see is because it didn't work. Okay, so just so you know, so and that happened to me, but I was able to prove to American Express that that wasn't me. That was almost an identity fraud, and they opened everything back up because they closed everything. Just because one of them went into default, they closed all my other five accounts, two business, three personal. A total was like $75,000 in credit. We're talking about credit utilization right there, right? Went all the way down, and all of a sudden, I ended up with a collection of my personal credit. Keep in mind that if you have a business collection from American Express, if you decide to default on it, will end up in your personal credit. I learned that the hard way, not even knowing that it was me, but I was able to fix it. I was able to work it out. So a relationship bank, they will close everything up. They will write you off unless you have something to prove. So that was my personal experience. How did we get here? And just as a snapshot, because I don't want to keep everybody, it's almost an hour that we've been here, and I'm getting thirsty.
Oh, we got plenty of whiskey. Come on, man.